a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over moments, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lowell, Lake Village, Ruth Lawn, Shelby, Schneider, Thayer, and Sumava resorts, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 239. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 039 Chicago.